Today I am reviewing Lenovo LOQ 15 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Lenovo LOQ 15-inch gaming laptop is one of those rare machines that strikes the perfect balance between raw gaming power, modern design, and everyday usability. Whether you're a gamer, student, or creative professional, this laptop delivers the kind of performance and experience that easily places it among the best in its class. With its Intel Core i7-13650HX processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 graphics, and a 15.6-inch 144Hz FHD display, the Lenovo LOQ 15 is built to dominate in gaming, multitasking, and demanding workloads. Starting with performance, the Intel Core i7-13650HX is an absolute beast. With 14 cores and hybrid architecture, it delivers lightning-fast responsiveness for gaming, streaming, and heavy multitasking. You can jump from editing 4K videos to running AAA games or managing large workloads without a single stutter. When paired with 24 GB of high-speed DDR5 RAM, multitasking becomes incredibly smooth. Opening multiple apps, running Chrome with dozens of tabs, streaming and gaming at the same time feels effortless. The 1TB SSD ensures that boot times are almost instant, and games load in seconds instead of minutes. For anyone who hates waiting on slow storage, this setup is a dream come true. Now, let's talk about what makes this laptop stand out for gamers: the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 GPU. Built on NVIDIA's latest Ada Lovelace architecture, this graphics card offers next-generation ray tracing and AI-enhanced performance with DLSS 3 technology. It easily handles modern games like Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty, Warzone, and Fortnite at high to ultra settings while maintaining smooth frame rates. The combination of RTX 5050 graphics and a 144Hz refresh rate display gives you that competitive edge: ultra-smooth visuals, minimal motion blur, and precise control in fast-paced games. Whether you're gaming for fun or taking esports seriously, the LOQ 15 won't disappoint. Speaking of visuals, the 15.6-inch IPS Full HD display is a standout feature. With a 144Hz refresh rate and up to 300 nits of brightness, it delivers vibrant colors and crisp details that bring your games, movies, and creative projects to life. The wide viewing angles of the IPS panel make it great for sharing your screen with friends or working collaboratively. Lenovo's anti-glare coating also ensures comfortable viewing during long gaming sessions or study hours, even under bright lighting. Design-wise, the Lenovo LOQ 15 sports a sleek, modern look with its Luna gray finish. It's not overly flashy like many gaming laptops, making it versatile enough for school, work, or the office. Despite its powerful internals, it manages to stay relatively lightweight at around 3.8 kilograms and maintains a clean, minimalist design that feels premium to the touch. The build quality is solid, with a durable chassis that's designed to withstand everyday wear and tear. The keyboard experience on the LOQ 15 is excellent: responsive keys, comfortable travel, and a backlit design that makes typing or gaming in the dark effortless. The touchpad is smooth and accurate, adding to the overall premium feel. Connectivity is also a major win for this laptop. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, you get faster, more reliable wireless connections, whether you're gaming online, streaming, or transferring files. The inclusion of multiple USB ports, HDMI output, and headphone jack ensures you can connect all your peripherals, from external displays to controllers and headsets, without the need for extra dongles. Battery life is always an important factor, especially for gamers who travel or students who spend long hours away from the charger. Thanks to Lenovo's power optimization and the efficiency of the i7 processor, the LOQ 15 offers decent endurance for light tasks and browsing. Of course, during heavy gaming, you'll want to stay plugged in to unleash the full performance potential. The 60Wh lithium polymer battery provides enough power for everyday use and ensures you won't be constantly searching for an outlet during class or work. The laptop's audio and webcam setup also deserve praise. With clear stereo speakers and a built-in HD webcam, Video calls and streaming sessions look and sound sharp. The integrated microphones do a great job of capturing your voice clearly, making it ideal for online meetings or content creation. All of this is wrapped in Lenovo's reputation for reliability and after-sales support. You get a 1-year limited warranty on parts and labor, and Lenovo's customer service is known for being responsive and helpful. Plus, the LOQ 15 runs on Windows 11 Home, offering a clean, optimized interface with better multitasking, improved gaming features like auto HDR and direct storage, and seamless compatibility with all major software.